Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this which cartoon character are you filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So this will be my second which cartoon character are you filter that I'm trying on Instagram. For the first one, if you want to check, you can check the link from the description box below. To get this one, you can visit the creator profile. Chen Mahavan is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery and you will find the filter. This is the filter, cartoon character. Tap on it and you will see a preview. From here you can save it and you can try it. So let's try it. To use this filter, you have to hold down the camera button. So press and hold down the camera button and done. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.